Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you've already seen the thumbnail, so today we are going to talk about which cloud to learn for better opportunities. Alright, so I've documented that in a GitHub page. You can visit this page and get all the information there. Okay, I'll make sure to add the link to this in the description box below. You can also check that out. So I'll be asked by these questions a lot. So in my comment section also with my friends and colleagues, right? So the only answer that I can provide is in this documentation, as you already see, right? So basically it depends on your goals and the specific use case you have in mind, right? However, some of the most popular cloud providers are, as you already know, AWS, Microsoft, and Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform, right? So now, so the first point is clear itself, right? So here I'm telling that it is dependent on your goals and specific use case. For example, your organization might be working on Microsoft Azure. So the best thing that you should do is learn Microsoft Azure first, then get into cloud role, and then start learning other clouds, right? So first, always pick one cloud computing or one cloud provider in the first stage. Learn that thoroughly so that you will not miss out anything, and then pick up other cloud providers. It will be really easy for you. So first cloud that I learned was Microsoft Azure, right? Then in my organization I was using AWS, so I then learned AWS, and later I moved to Google Cloud Platform, right? So if you are new to entire cloud computing, or if you are just in your college and if you do not know anything about cloud, my suggestion would be to learn AWS first, because AWS is the most widely used and mature cloud platform. It is the first and most mature cloud provider, and it has the most services and the most mature services, right? And has a wide range of tools and services for various use cases, making it a great option for general purpose cloud computing. So there are a lot of tools and documentations available for you to use and get your hands dirty on AWS, right? So next, you can pick up Azure also, particularly Azure. So this is in strong in enterprise market, and as well as, well, it is well suited for Windows based workloads, and has a strong focus on hybrid cloud and edge computing. It's also good option for those who are already familiar with Microsoft technologies like Active Directory and all those things, right? So it will be good for you if you start picking up Microsoft Azure first, right? Next, Google Cloud Platform. GCP is the best choice if you're looking to run large scale data intensive workloads, because BigQuery is one of the tools that everyone in the data field uses, right? GCP excels at big data, machine learning, and data analytics. It also has a strong focus on container orchestration, because if you know that Kubernetes is one of the open source tools that GCP has produced or Google has produced, which makes it a good option for those who are looking into there. If you want to learn, run microservices and the architectures, that is a good fit for you. Ultimately, you should consider which platform aligns best with your specific needs and goals, right? It's also important to note that all these providers have a free trial or a free trial plan that allows you to try their services and learn before committing to any of them, right? So you can pick up AWS or Azure or GCP. There will be a free trial plan where you can get signed for that particular site, and you will be able to work on those cloud areas. I hope I'm clear with the answer. So if you still have confusions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer that within a span of 3 hours. So that's it for today's video. If you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next cloud video. Bye.